Hello, I'm Mertad, and now here we want to create our own first API test using Multimeter. For that purpose, we just need to create a file. I would name it api.mmt. The file name can be anything, but the extension name should be mmt. And immediately after you open it, you can see that the screen is divided into two sections. The right section is the UI section. The left section is like text edit. Here we type tests as YAML file, and then in the right section we have a UI corresponding to that YAML. That editing any of them will affect the other one. So here, for creating an API test, I can type API, or also from the right side I can choose API from this list. So basically, as you saw, both affect each other, and as I selected the item, now I have type API on the left panel as well. And this is like a known UI for API testing. So you see that this is underlined red, and this is why we need two mandatory things for having an API. One of them is URL and the other is method. For that, I type URL and I pass the HTTPS server, like echo HTTPS server that I created on my website for this demo. HTTPS test.mmt.dev/echo. And for the method, I want to choose post. Means that it is like an HTTP post method. And this section is still underlined because as we choose the method post, we still need a body. So I'm gonna create a body. For body, you can pass pure text or you can keep it smart. So if I here type like message, hello from Multimeter, and come to the body section, you can see that the message turned into a JSON request. And why is this JSON? Because the default is JSON. You can also change that by coming here and change the format to something like XML. As you see, this is changed to XML, but let's keep it as JSON for this demo. That's it. You can come here and click the send button, and as you see, the Reflex server is sending us the message hello from Multimeter, basically what we send to the server back. I can also see the headers. It's not maybe bad to add a header as well. You just need to come to the headers, and I said something like agent MMT. That's it. Now if I send it, among the list of what server sending us back, agent.mmt is there as well. So basically that's it. It's like a kit. And the good part about this is that now, as you can see here, I have a file that is changed. So if I come here and commit like my first API, this is not a good message for your commits, but yeah, now I can commit it, and later imagine that I change this header agent MMT. I thought, okay, we don't need that anymore. And if I save it, immediately after that, I get the same thing, that the file is changed. Now we can see what changed. So you can commit it again, and that is like one of the benefits of MMT. As all the tests are files, you can treat them as files on Git. So yeah, that's it. I'm gonna commit this one, remove the header, remove the header, and we can go to the next demo. Thanks.